every student feels the pressure of understanding which stream to choose. Science ले लेते हैं, future set है. Commerce में scope बहुत है. Humanities last option है. But let me tell you something very important. There is no best stream. There is only a right stream for you. And in this video, I'll help you understand how to choose a stream wisely. Let's start with science. Science is ideal for people who understands logic, problem solving, understanding how things work. If you like maths, physics, chemistry, bio, and like spending long hours studying that subject and it doesn't bore you, maybe that's for you. But here's the reality. Science is demanding. It requires consistency, it requires patience and mental stamina. Let me give you an example. A student scored 90% in class 10 and took science because everyone said it was the best for him. But in class 11, he realized it was getting very competitive for him and was very demanding. The competitive exams became very overwhelming because the interest was missing out. So remember, marks alone are not required to survive in science. It's the interest that matters the most. Now let's talk about the stream जिसका scope बहुत है. Commerce. Commerce is perfect for those students who love business, economics, finance and real world application. If you enjoy numbers, like planning, like analyzing trends, maybe commerce is a suitable stream for you. But don't mistake commerce for an easy option. Courses like CA, CS, CFA and even top BBA are very competitive. So here's an example. A student who loves managing and supporting her family business accounts can take up commerce. And now with clarity and precision, she is pursuing CA to support her family business even more. The key point, interest plus planning make commerce powerful. Let's come to my favorite stream and my fellow people must be interested in knowing about humanities. I think the moment I think of humanities, it's the most misunderstood stream. Humanities is ideal for those students who have a great communication skills, critical thinking, understanding people, loves creativity. Subjects like psychology, sociology, political science, legal study, fashion designing, media have a lot of career paths in humanities. The biggest myth, there is no scope. The truth is, there is no scope if you don't have the skill set in any field. For example, a student passionate in psychology chooses humanities despite the social pressure. With internships and learning opportunities and additional MOOC programs, they are doing really well in their life and is now even planning to do their masters in clinical psychology. Humanities is not a backup option. It's a different strength-based choice. Most students choose their stream based on what their friends are taking, what their sibling choices are, what their parents are suggesting them, social pressure. But the right way is to ask 3 questions. What subject genuinely interests me? How do I learn most? Practically, creatively or analytically? Can I imagine myself studying this subject for next 5 to 7 years? Remember this line, your stream should match your mind, not the crowd. Let's talk about psychometric testing. Psychometric testing is a very scientific, reliable tool which helps you in understanding what is the suitable stream or subject for you. Based on the 4 parameters, which is interest, personality, aptitude and IQ. In a quantitative and a qualitative way, you will be able to figure out what is the best suitable stream for you. For example, a student is confused between taking humanities or sciences as a stream. The results show that you have a strong verbal ability, empathy and creativity. Making humanities would be a better fit than sciences as a stream. Important points to remember is psychometric testing guides the decision but doesn't replace. With combined career counseling, they become very powerful. Before finalizing your streams, I want you to avoid these mistakes. Choosing the stream just based on the scope. Scope changes, skills stays. Ignoring the stress and the mental pressure. Class 11 is for real. Not researching the career path. Stream alone doesn't guarantee you 100% success. Not seeking expert guidance. Career counseling saves you years of confusion. To every student and parent who's watching this, there is no superior stream. The right stream gives you confidence, motivation and growth. The wrong one creates stress, and self-doubt. Choose with awareness, not fear. Choose with your strengths and interests. Thank you everyone. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you're confused, drop your message in the comment box. You are not alone in this journey.